Hey guys, my name's Tom, and earlier today I tried to make you a video taking up the GoPro Karma Drone. Needless to say, it started like this.
Move to a new location or recalibrate the compass.
It keeps saying calibration failed, following all instructions, move away from metal object. What am I missing?
Calibration failed. Calibration failed.
And chances are that's the reason that you're here. Yes, the GoPro Karma Drone is currently grounded. There's countless articles written online kind of explaining the GPS issue. GoPro has a fix to get Karma drones flying again. A firmware update is coming by the end of this week. GoPro suffers more bad karma. Widespread GPS issue grounds drones. I really do like the way that the GoPro Karma Drone shoots. I think the GoPro Hero 7 is an exceptional camera, and paired with the drone, it can really capture some great stuff. Needless to say, it had me worried because there was no information out about this grounding. It took me nearly 2 hours to figure out, just by searching online, that the GoPro Karma Drone was no longer able to fly. It's unfortunate, but I do think as a company still somewhat involved in the drone community, that GoPro has a responsibility to at least give us an update and at least tell us that these things aren't working correctly and that they're working on a fix. I also have a hard time believing that at the end of 2019 that they didn't know this was going to happen and they didn't try to implement a fix. That's neither here nor there. Know that if you found this video because you're trying to find a fix for your GoPro Karma, there currently isn't one. We're currently all waiting on a firmware update from GoPro, so what I'm going to do is throw a link below to the articles that I found outlining and detailing the GPS issue, as well as a link to GoPro's actual website. There you'll be able to supposedly download the firmware update, or they will let you know when it's released. There you'll be able to download it from your Karma Drone or from your clamshell and hopefully be up flying in the air before the year 2021. Thank you guys for hanging out, watching this video. I also have 2 other videos about the GoPro Karma Drone. I'm going to link those also below. If you like to watch them, they'll be like right here. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you in my next GoPro Karma video. Peace.
Calibration failed.
This is f***ing horse.
Calibration failed. Calibration failed.